Hi everyone, my name is Ayushi Saxena. Growing up, I dreamt of seeing myself performing dance and modeling in front of large crowds. And being from another state, it's amazing that I found this at Parul University. PU has become the best place where I can grow my talent while also get the finest academic exposure. From the moment I spend in my lectures, halls, libraries and the labs, to the evening after college hangouts with my friends in the gym or campus food courts. Each and every moment in PU is always refreshing and truly memorable. Each at PU brings me something to discover, and this has allowed me to grow not only my career, but has also given the rich exposure to people across all other states, including my own. Being here has truly made my college fun and easy because for me, PU is home.